maybe kingfisher, is it? I'm not sure. It's on a sort of a cotton hessian fabric. Frame's made of mahogany. This is a very good quality screen that you can see. It's been beautifully finished off there. It's originally would have had a third panel. That's the back. See, it's got a water stain there, which carries through, unfortunately, from here. But apart from that, I'd say it's in pretty good condition for the age. Some paint mark there. Use them as rim dividers or as originally intended, and obviously here we go, obviously folds away.